Franz Boas, father of American anthropology, started the program at Columbia University, where I got my doctorate in anthropology. He had one famous phrase that I wish to use as inspiration for the work we will be doing. He once said that culture is the greatest innovation of Homo sapiens. Again, culture is the greatest innovation of Homo sapiens. By saying that, he made a huge claim about nature and nurture, that culture affects biology as biology affects culture. That, in a sense, is an important place to start if you wish to learn about anthropology. More importantly, if you wish to apply anthropology to do stuff in the world, this is the good place to start to get a good understanding of what anthropology and its application is. For this project, I'm going to invite you to consider, to deeply interrogate, to reflect upon the notion of innovation. Innovation is happening at all levels of our life, all the time. Innovation indexes in one's mind newness, something different. Sometimes creation comes up when we think of the word innovation, creativity. Some people in business will think about entrepreneurship. And engineers will think about invention. And all of these things apply, certainly. But there's something even bigger, and more subtle. That innovation is ostensibly going on all the time around us, if you give it proper attention, if you will. So, these sets of materials are all focused on describing applied anthropology. So that begins with a definition of what anthropology is. And then it moves on to trying to apply anthropology. So if you think of anthropology, it could be purely theoretical or it could be applied. And so the intention here is to make it applicable, to apply it, to solve a problem, to change your life, as it were. Now, in doing that, in reflecting on these materials, the subtext, the moral of the story, the lens through which I wish you to discuss and think about applied anthropology is innovation. Again, going back over, while reading this material, I want you to think over and over about the notion of innovation. Where is innovation? Am I innovating right now? And that sort of thing. Beyond that, I think most of these materials will introduce themselves well to you. I just wanted to give you a welcome and say hello. I am Professor James Malooly, Professor of Anthropology. Thank you.